We make very good progress insofar as continuation of the SGR from where it is in Naivasha to Uganda.
Kenya has secured a commitment from China's Exim Bank for the funding of the standard gauge railway line from Naivasha to the Uganda border. Roads and Transport Cabinet Secretary Mr. Kipchumba Murkomen said that Pan-Africa lender Africa Development Bank and Kenya's own Railways Development Fund will complement the Chinese as Nairobi and Kampala continues to woo more financiers for the cross-border project. Mr. Murkomen spoke on the sideline as President William Ruto hosted his Ugandan counterpart Yoweri Museveni on Thursday last week at the State House, Nairobi, where the two leaders threw their weight behind the joint project, which is meant to go all the way to the DRC Congo. This line will be critical in providing regional competitive advantage to improve connectivity, with links to Uganda, South Sudan, Rwanda, and DRC. The announcement that Beijing had committed to put the project back on track came a week after Rwanda, Burundi, DRC, and South Sudan joined the SGR Cluster Joint Ministerial Committee and committed to engage development partners in seeking funds for railway. Uganda is expected to start the construction of the Malaba-Kampala segment in September. Museveni also said that he was very happy with the progress made so far. This ambitious project holds the potential to significantly boost economic development, trade, and regional integration in East Africa. All said and done, allow me to give you an artistic impression of what this project will look like. But before then, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, okay? I really need your support, guys. Subscribe, like, and share this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's do this.
The Nairobi-Malaba Railway will significantly facilitate the interconnectedness among different regions of Kenya, as well as promote exchanges between Kenya and other landlocked countries in East Africa. The formation of a modern railway network in East Africa will increase. More importantly, it will cut logistics costs in Kenya and possibly East Africa, promote Kenya's through traffic business and industrialization, provide strong support for the country to realize its 2030 long-range goals, and inject vitality into the economic development of Kenya and the rest of East Africa. This is an extraordinary railway, which not only marks Sino-Kenyan friendship, but also signifies a promising future. This dream route shall become a great momentum in commemoration of the new strategic cooperation between Sino-African relations. It will, above all, pave the way for Kenya to create an even better future.